What's up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs on YouTube. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and this is Casey. He's one of the owners of Axe in the Oak and the owner of this awesome truck behind us. We're gonna have him walk you through his brand and take you on a little walk around of this truck. Cool.
Yeah guys, Axe in the Oak started in 2013. Me and 4 buddies. We have a lot of fun. We have some great employees. We're all about our community and like to have some fun. We have a lot of fun things going on right now as far as products go. Going to release a lot of fun barrel-aged products in 2020 and just get it rolling. So.
Yeah, because you guys did something with like Lefroy and all those kind of things.
Cognac,
so all sorts of
and port. Oh yeah, we have.
So yeah, it'll be very fun to see what you guys come up with. But it sounds like you also have been busy winning some awards and things of that nature.
Yeah, both took World Whiskey Competition. Man, that was last 2 years for the rye. This past year, 2019 Best in Class for the rye, and our bourbon has taken silver last 2 years in the same competition. And then traveling to New York here in a couple days for some other awards. So yeah.
Awesome. Well, congrats.
Thank you.
All right, guys. Casey's going to take you on a walk around now of everything we did to this truck.
Okay, Casey Ross here, guys. Axe in the Oak Distillery. We bought this 1990 Chevy Suburban. We're all big car guys, me and my partners. So we had a lot of fun with this. We found it in a friend's barn, completely stock. And we took it over to SoCo Customs. They did a few things for us and then lifted it on the 7.5-inch rough country lift, and it looks fantastic. It's on some Mayhem Warrior 17x9s. It rides great, and we're having a lot of fun hauling grain and doing events and running product here and there. So it's been great.
All right, I'm going to highlight a few things on this kit for you guys. So this did come from the factory with the dual front shock. And Rough Country did have a solution for that, so they've got the hookup for those. You can see this is the classic front leaf spring. And the nice thing about these wheels right here is you can take out this center cap just in case you do have that manual locking hub. Another thing that you're going to have to do with this kit is we had issues clearing the exhaust to get the drive shaft down there. So Casey ran it for a couple of weeks with 2-wheel drive and got the exhaust rerouted. You can see that comes down there. So, and I think he went with the Flowmaster 40 series exhaust on that. Now these tires are 37 1250s, so you can see they look pretty aggressive on those 17s. These are the ProComp AT Sports. So definitely an awesome truck. Casey was with us the whole way, really wanted this look right here. And yeah, have you enjoyed driving it around a little bit?
Oh yeah, it always gets the thumbs up and gets the heads turning, so it's been great for us. A lot of fun to drive.
All right guys, Brian with SoCo Customs. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe. We love working with everybody. We love working with people, we love working with businesses, giving you the coolest promotional products we possibly can. This was definitely a fun build, probably one of my favorites, classic, unique, and yeah, thanks a bunch, Casey.
Awesome, thanks guys.